YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Ken Sledge. You already know it's my channel, Show to Heads. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Today, I'm going to be talking about unboxing. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and finally, it came through, Amazon delivered it, So let's get into the box real quick so you know what I'm talking about, okay? Alright, small size box, like a medium sized box, I would say. A little bit bigger. Let's get into it. I'm excited for this one. Okie dokie. Alright. Alright. Okay. Put this out of the way. Let's put this on the side. Alright, so this is the Akaso Action Camera V50. Okay, I've been wanting to shoot some vlog action and whatnot. I could have used my iPhone 8, but this one is gonna make it very easy for me. I can carry it anywhere I want and set it up and then record. And this is also very, very powerful, so it's gonna give me better picture quality and audio. So let's see what it says over here. It says integrated wireless network. It is native 4K, so you can record 4K videos. You can also record videos in 4K, which is 30 frames per second, and 2.7K 30 frames. So you can also do 1080p for 60 frames per second. And it has the megapixel all the way up to 20. It has up to 20 megapixels, so which means you can shoot larger images without losing any pixels. So even if you take larger size portraits and pictures, the image is still gonna look crisp and quality. Okay, so let's dive into this and let's see what it has. Let's see. It also comes with 170 degrees wide angle lens, so you got a very broad image. You have to buy your own SD memory card. I already have one of those. What else? I think that's it. It's waterproof up to 98 feet, so it is shock proof, and also has image stabilization. It has that electronic image stabilization. Alright, let's see what's inside this box, okay? Okay, let's pull it out. Woo, look at that. Beautiful camera. Let me see if I can pop this out of this. Yeah, let's see. Okay, okay. Come on up. Alright. So it's a very, very small condensed camera. I think it's in the waterproof casing already, so when you drop it, it's kind of protected for you. Let's see how it comes out. Look at that. Very, very, very tiny camera. Tiny camera with so much power. Okay, Akaso V50. Let's put these on the side and let's check into the box. Let's see what it came with. Yeah. So you've got a mount. This is a mount. Let's see. One battery. Okay. Strap for like maybe the remote if you want to strap it on your arms, so you could take your pictures and whatnot. Charging brick. Another mount. Lens cleaner. Another battery. That's good. It comes with two batteries, so when you drain one battery, you can always replace it. And I think it's, oh, this is the charging stand. Oh man, I like this. This is an upgrade. It has a two port charging dock, so you can dock them at the same time and charge it, which is really, really nice. I like that. USB. Another waterproof casing just in case the other one gets damaged. Let's see. Some stands, I think you can dock this on your car or on a flat surface. It has a sticky, sticky material at the back, so you can just stick it on something when you want to dock your camera and charge. This is also another, mount. I think it's the bicycle mount, I'm not sure. another mount. It has so many accessories, you know, so you could take it to anywhere you want to take it, you know. Another mount. I think this is the bicycle mount, if I'm not wrong. Accessories, strap holders. Oh, let's check this one out here. This is a remote control. Look at that. The remote control. It looks so nice, man. It's like a car key. You know, you push it to unlock your key, like a keyless entry. Really nice. All right. Some more stickers. And then, what does this say? We want to hear from you. Get free accessories. How you can claim that. Share your experience by leaving a review. Send the following review to an email on here. Okay, cool. So you can win. They can send you some more batteries and some more accessories and micro SD card if you leave a review, like pretty much like a positive review for them, so that people can go in and purchase. It's got a really nice manual. I'm gonna dive into it. So basically that's it. Nice action camera. I'm gonna start doing my vlogs now. So if you see that I've posted any vlog, it's coming from the ACASO V50 camera. If you want some action camera that's gonna do the job for you without, you know, the hefty price of maybe like the likewise of GoPro, the Hero 6 or the Hero 5. I think I read some reviews and watched some videos on Amazon. I did my research before purchasing this, and I think that this is gonna live up to its standards and its reviews. It's cheaper. I think I paid $109 versus the GoPro, which is $399 plus all those accessories that you have to buy to make it work. You know, this is a very economical camera which is gonna do all the job that the GoPro can do for a very small price. So if you want an action camera, you can check this one out. I'm not saying go purchase it, but check it out. Look at the reviews, look at how, you know, it does, and then if you want, you can purchase one of this. But I have purchased one of this. I'll shoot action vlog videos. Let me know how this camera does, and if you already own one of these, let me know how you use yours, which ones that you have, and how it works better for you. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, this is King Sledge. My channel name is Shoto Heads. Go subscribe for more videos. I already have a lot of videos already. Go check them out. Until I see you again in my next videos, peace out.